Careful playing with that, Isaac.
Well, the key isn't in, or is it?
No, it's just more that when it get broken, then it wouldn't work.
Okay, our first launch, buddy.
Yep.
Our second try. Put the key in. Okay, we ready?
Count down, Isaac.
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
Awesome, Isaac.
I see it. I don't know if the
Oh,
camera...
coming back towards us, buddy.
Yay!
Yeah. Isaac, you want to go get it?
Did it scare you? I didn't get to see it because I was too busy trying to record it.
Okay, you guys ready for second launch? Wow, look at it, Isaac.
Well, I saw it like... Oh, I see the recovery warning!
Yeah, you see it, buddy?
Yeah, me too.
Go get it, buddy. Isaac, go get it.
You mean the recovery warning?
No, the rocket.
That was cool.
That was really cool.
That was cool.
Man, they really go with some force, don't they, City?
Yeah.